Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. It is a very important video from the examination point of view. From the unit applications of trigonometry, you can expect 4-mark question for the exam. 4-mark question for the exam, and many of the students, they are feeling difficult in this unit. The main thing is you should understand the concept. Students, after the end of this video, you will get the confidence that you'll be able to solve any questions from the unit applications of trigonometry. We'll be solving a series of questions, so do try to solve all these questions. Already this worksheet I have shared in my Telegram group. Students, you should watch the complete video so that you will be able to understand the concept. If you understand the concept, definitely you can score 4 out of 4 marks in this unit. The chapter name itself, it indicates that applications of trigonometry. Definitely you can expect 1 4-mark application question from this unit. Students, before we brush up few basic things, you know right angle triangle, right? Where one of the angle will be 90 degree. So opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse, and it is base, and this is opposite. With respect to, if I consider theta, with respect to theta, AB is the opposite side, BC is the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. This is the right angle triangle. You should understand the concept of right angle triangle. Opposite to angle theta is opposite side AB, then the base or the adjacent is BC, then the longest side is the hypotenuse. And also, students, for most of the questions will be using what? Tan ratio, that is tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Do repeat with me, tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. And also you should know, for most of the questions you will be using sin theta and also cos theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Students, if you know this 3 ratio, definitely you will be able to solve all the questions from the unit applications of trigonometry. That is, you should understand right angle triangle, then the 3 ratio tan theta equals opposite by adjacent, sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, and also you should know the value of tan 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value is what? 1 by root 3. Then tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Make a note of all this. Definitely it will be useful. Tan 30 equals, well, most of the question will be using the tan ratio. You should know at least these 3 values. Tan 30 equals 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree equals 1, tan 60 equals root 3. Now in the same way, sin 30, sin 45 and sin 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. The same way, students, for most of the question you will be using the tan ratio. Still you should know the sine and cosecant, cos ratios. Cos 30 equals root 3 by 2, cos 45 is again 1 by root 2, cos 60 equals 1 by 2. If you know this much, definitely 1 mark is in your pocket. If you know this much, students, 3 ratios tan, sine and cos, then the values, that is tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 equals root 3, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The same way, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Definitely, if you know all this, definitely you can score 1 to 2 mark easily. Know all these points. Make a note of all these points. Take a screenshot and revise this. Students, this unit is not as difficult as what you are thinking. The questions will be very easy. Just you should understand the concept of right angle triangle, then the concept of tan theta, sin theta and cos theta. Then you should apply. You'll get the answer. Students, watch the complete video. Make sure that at least you will make a note of the few concepts what I am telling. You have 4 days gap for the SLC exam, maths exam, so that if you solve all these questions, definitely you will be able to solve in the exam also. Students, first step what you do is, with respect to figure, first identify the right angle triangles. Here you can see right angle triangle BCD. Now write down the right angle triangle using scale. Write down the right angle triangle BCD, and we have one more right angle triangle ACD. ACD. Then write the angles, that is here it is 45, here it is 60 degree. Now in the same way, first what I'll do, I'll write the right angle triangle and I'll apply the tan ratio. Tan theta equals, in right angle triangle BCD, tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is BC, adjacent is CD. And the same way, in right angle triangle ACD, again I'll apply tan ratio. Tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AC, adjacent is CD. Students, I have not read the question also. By looking at the figure, I have written separately the right angle triangles and applied tan ratio. At least if you do up to this, definitely you can score minimum half to 1 mark. Now the same way, for next question also, what I'll do, I'll identify the right angle triangle and I'll write what? The tan ratios. In the same way, try to write down the right angle triangle from the given figure and try to apply the tan ratio. For all the questions, you can do it in the same way. Only for few exceptional cases, you'll be using what? Sin ratio or cos ratio. Now, what is the theta here? Theta is, for right angle triangle BCD, tan theta is 45. Tan 45 equals, BC is unknown here. BC is not known here. It is question mark. CD also question mark. No problem. Write as it is. BC by CD. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? It is 1 equals BC by CD. Now cos multiply CD into 1 is CD. CD equals, now it is BC. Now students, I'll consider BC as what? From the question we can see a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. So this AB is the statue which is standing on the pedestal, at the top of the pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Now that is BC is the pedestal. Let us consider BC as H. Now I get CD equals what? H. Take this as equation 1. Put it in the box. Now in the same way apply tan ratio. We have already applied. Angle is what? 60 degree. Tan 60 equals, what is AC? AC is AB plus H, right? See here, AC equals what? AB plus BC. AC equals, AB is 1.6, BC is H. Now AC is 1.6 plus H. CD will be written as it is, since it is unknown. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to 1.6 plus H by CD. Now cross multiply. CD into root 3 is root 3 CD equals 1.6 plus H. Now what is the value of CD from equation 1? It is H. Now substitute CD value. Now root 3 H equals 1.6 plus H. Now shift plus H to LHS, it becomes minus H. Root 3 H minus H equals 1.6. Now H and H is common. Take H out. What we get? Root 3 minus 1 equals 1.6. Now H equals 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Students, since the denominator is in irrational form, convert into rational form. For binomial, change the sign and multiply and divide it by the denominator. That is H equals 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. H equals 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. We can be written as root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 whole square is 3, 1 square is 1. So what you get? 1.6, 3 minus 1 is 2. 1.6 by 2 is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Therefore, the height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Students, understand again, for the given figure, write down the right angle triangle. And what you should do? Apply the tan ratio. After applying tan ratio, what you will do? Substitute the angle, and definitely between these two right angle triangles, definitely a common side will be there. Using that common side, connect those equations and substitute it and simplify it. You will get definitely 4 marks. Practice all these questions. Practice. Definitely you can score good marks in mathematics. You people are so lucky that the paper will be easy with confident. You should attempt the questions, and before that you should know all the formulas. Practice all the questions what I have shared in the worksheet and also from the textbook. Students, hopefully you have understood it. Now we'll move to the next question. What is the first step? First read the question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and the bottom of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. we should find out the height of the tower. So what are the right angle triangles here? The right angle triangles are B, C, D. The angle is 45 degree, and also they have given BC as what? 20 meters. CD is question mark. Keep as it is. What is one more right angle triangle? It is A, C, D. The angle of elevation is what? 60 degree. Now what is AC? AC will be AB plus BC, right? Now what is the next step? Tan ratio tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? It is BC by CD. In the same way, for right angle triangle ACD, tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AC by CD. You can write one statement in right angle triangle BCD. In the same way here, in right angle triangle ACD. Students, watch the complete video so that many of the concepts, many of the tricks will be discussed along with solving the problems. What is theta here? Tan theta is 45 degree. Tan 45 equals BC is 20. CD I'll write as it is. CD is, now tan 45 is 1 equals 20 by CD. Now cross multiply CD into 1 is CD. CD equals 20 meter. Now we got the value of CD. CD equals 20 meter. Now what is the theta for right angle triangle ACD? It is 60 degree. Now we get tan 60 equals AC. What is AC? That is AB plus BC. I'll consider AB as H plus 20. CD we have got here. CD is 20. What is tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3 equals H plus 20 by 20. You should know the value of tan 30, 45 and 60 degree. Now cross multiply 20 into root 3 is 20 root 3 equals H plus 20. Now shift plus 20 towards LHS, it becomes minus 20. 20 root 3 minus 20 equals H. H equals 20. The common factor is 20. The remaining is root 3 minus 1 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower is what? 20 root 3 minus 1 meters. Students, these are very simple problems to score 4 marks. You should understand the concepts. Moving to third question, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. From the 2 foot of the tower of the building, the angle of elevation of the building is what? It is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is what? It is 60 degree. If the tower height is what? 50 meters, find the height of the building. Students, my steps are very simple. First, what I'll do? I'll identify the right angle triangles. What are the right angle triangles? The right angle triangle ABC. ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. In that, angle C is what hits here. Don't write it as 60, it is 30 degree. So it is 30 degree. The same way, right angle triangle DCB. BC and CB are same. Now DC is 50 meters. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. The common side is BC and BC. That will be connecting these two right angle triangles. Now, in right angle triangle ABC, here in right angle triangle DCB. Now that is, I'll apply tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Here it is tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. What is opposite side? It is AB, adjacent is BC. Here it is DC by BC or CB. Now what is the theta? That is 30. Tan 30 equals AB is as it is, right, as it is, that we should find out, that I consider as height h. BC is written as it is. Now what is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 equals AB by BC. Now what I'll do, now BC equals cos BC into 1 is BC, AB into root 3 is AB into root 3. What is AB here? It is h. H into root 3. Consider this as equation 1. Now I'll moving to right angle triangle DCB. Already applied the tan ratio. Now angle is 60 degree, tan 60 equals, what is DC is 50 meters. Already it's in the figure. BC, it's here. We have already found it. That is h root 3. Now tan 60 is root 3 equals 50 by h root 3. Now cross multiply. H root 3 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now what we get? 3h equals 50. H equals 50 by 3 meter. Therefore, the height of the building is 50 by root 3 meters. If you convert into the mixed fraction, what we get? 62 by 3 meters. If you keep up to here, you will get the marks. Students, you should make the concepts as much simpler as possible. Always in applications of trigonometry, you will be applying tan ratios to the right angle triangle. Identify the right angle triangle, apply the tan ratio. There will be common side between the right angle triangles. Now we'll be moving to next question. A tree breaks down due to storm. See here, a tree breaks down due to a storm and broken part bends so that it forms what? So that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle what? 30 degree width. See here, height of the tree is what? Height of tree equals what? AB plus AC, right? A tree was there, it has broken down and it has formed an angle 30 degree with the ground. That means height will be x plus y, right? The height of the tree will be AB plus AC. Now we should find out the value of AB and also value of AC. To find, see here only one right angle triangle is there. To find out AB, I can use what? Already base is given. What is the connection between opposite and base? It is tan ratio. To find out AB, I'll use the tan ratio. To find out AC, you can find out, you can use sine or cos. In right angle triangle ABC, tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Students, you can write little statements. So it, as it carries 4 marks, you can use statements to express the statements. Opposite is what? AB. Adjacent is BC. AB I should find out. Theta is 30. Tan 30 equals AB is what? As it is. BC is 8. What is tan 30 value? It is 1 by root 3 equals AB by 8. Now cross multiply. 8 into 1 is 8. AB into root 3 is root 3 AB. Now AB equals 8 by root 3 meters. Keep as it is. Now what we should find out? We should find out AC. Now we know the value of AB, that is 8 by root 3. Now we should know the value of AC. What we can use to find out the value of AC? We can use either sine ratio or cos ratio. what I'll do here, I'll apply cos ratio. In right angle triangle A B C, cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? It is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. What we should find out? We should find out AC. Theta is what? 30 degree. Cos 30 equals BC is how much? BC is 8 by AC. Now cos, what is cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2 equals 8 by AC. Now cos multiply. AC into root 3 is root 3 AC equals 8 to the 16. Now AC equals 16 by root 3 meters. Now what is height of tree? Height of tree will be equal to AB plus AC. What is the value of AB? It is 8 by root 3. AC is 16 by root 3. Now denominators are same. You can directly add the numerator, that is 16 plus 24. 16 plus 8 is 24 divided by root 3. Rationalize. What we get? 24 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 is. So the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. Students, very simple problem for 4 marks. Student, for 5th question, you can try it. What you can do, identify the two right angle triangles and identify the unknowns, that is CB and AB here. So what you'll get, the height of the tower will be 10 root 3 meters and width of the canal, that is that will be 10 meters. So you can try it. In the same way, 6th question, very simple question. This question has been asked in the board exam in the year 2019-20. You should use the concept of complementary angles between the tan theta and cot theta, so that you can prove the height of the tower will be 6 meters. Very simple problem. The question might be confusing. Very simple problem. We'll get the solution within few steps. Identify the right angle triangle ABC. Identify the right angle, another right angle triangle ABD. Apply the tan ratio. Tan of 90 minus theta becomes cot theta. Multiply tan theta into cot theta. You will get AB equals AB square equals 36. AB equals 30 square root of 36. AB equals 6 meters. Very simple problem. Again, identify the right angle triangles. So next question, identify the right angle triangles. It is a textbook question. You will get the length of the flag staff will be around 10 root 3 minus 1 meters, or after substituting the value of root 2 you will get 7.32 meters. Students, try out very simple problems. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to apply the concept, and simplifying it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. You can within 6 minutes you can solve the question. Another question, try to solve. It's a question from the textbook itself. All these questions are very important. Students, try to solve. And 10th question is also very important. The distance, we should find out the height of the poles and also distance between the point from the poles. Identify the right angle triangles and substitute, you will get the answer. Students, try to solve all these questions. Already this worksheet I have shared. As soon as possible I'll try to post the questions from other units. Do subscribe the channel, don't miss out any videos. Do solve all the questions. Many of the questions are from the textbook. If you understand the concept, Try to solve the way I have tried to solve the questions. Identify the right angle triangle, apply the tan ratio. At least if you apply the tan ratio and identify the right angle triangles, you will get 1 marks there itself. Don't feel the difficulty of this chapter. Don't feel that this chapter is difficult and leave this question in the exam. Try to attempt this question. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel. I'll be posting the other videos as soon as possible.